Welcome to the Delaware Mortgage Rate Weekly Update for the week of May 21st, 2012. Hello, I'm John Thomas with Primary Residential Mortgage, here to give you your weekly update. Well, what we saw this week is home loan rates moved lower than they ever have. So we broke through the all-time record low and went even lower. And that was because of bad news coming out of Europe. Specifically, Greece, again, is back in the news. The European Central Bank, the ECB, has actually stopped providing funds to some Greek banks and basically saying that the ECB president is saying that it's Greece's problem to fund their own banks. They're not going to they bailed out the country, they're not going to bail out their own banking institutions. So, what that may mean is Greece may actually have to exit the European Union, which could cause huge problems. And then Spain was also in the news. Spain is in a recession and will be throughout 2013, it looks like. So that's going to be another problem that the European Union has to deal with. So all that bad news was actually great news for mortgage bonds. Mortgage bonds moved to all-time highs, which sent rates to all-time record lows. What this means for you is that now is a great time to purchase a home or refinance a home at an all-time record interest level. We also had news on inflation, which is the Consumer Price Index, the CPI. That came out at 2.3% year over year, as you can see in the chart. That's the lowest that it's been since, let's see, looks like February 2011. So that's good news, but that's still, still a little hot. And what that means we got to look at is we can't keep having treasuries and bonds at all-time record low yields and still have inflation. So that means if we still have some inflation coming in, or if it comes out moderate to even slightly hot, that's going to force treasuries and home loan rates to move higher, forcing the bonds to sell off. So that means we'll have higher rates. So now is a great time to go ahead and lock in that rate. So if we look at the bond chart, ongoing price in Europe, a couple of weaker than expected data, pushed mortgage bonds to record highs last week, sending home loan rates to fresh record lows. If you see the chart, we've been on this real nice upward run, which has been putting rates at lower and lower and lower. Even when we thought they couldn't go lower, they went lower. So, again, just great time to buy. In the local news, what do we have going on in the local news? June 11th, FHA Streamline refinances. The new program begins. You can start making an application. That program is for people who have an FHA loan that was originated before June 1st, 2009, who have not refinanced since you got the loan before June 1st, 2009. Great program. You can take advantage of these all-time record lows and keep your monthly mortgage insurance at 0.55%, which is now more than double the 1.25%. So if you were to refinance right now, you'd have to take the higher rate. But in the new program, June 11th, you can get the 0.55%, and the upfront is dropping down to 0.1%, which is almost nothing. So if you've got a loan before June 1st, 2009, it's an FHA loan, give us a call, 302-703-0727. We can help you get that refinanced, answer any questions on that program. Also in the local news, Newcastle County DPS program, down payment assistance program for up to $5,000. That has officially run out of funds. It will not be refunded till July 1st, 2012. So not a long wait, but if you just got under contract and looking for that money as a program, you may have a problem. Give us a call. We might be able to find you another solution for your down payment. And then HIP, Homeowner Incentive Program, which has been unfunded for, I think, about a year now. They're actually saying that's going to be refunded July 1st as well. So both programs back July 1st, 2012, and it's great news. And we also have the VHAP program back. So, and then also in the local news, we've got the next free first-time homebuyer seminar in Dover this Tuesday, May 22nd at 6:30 to Dover Sheraton. So you can register for that by calling 302-703-0727 or register online, www.delawarehomebuyerSeminar.com. And then the next one in Newark is June 16th. That's a Saturday at the Christiana Hilton. That's 2 sessions, 10 a.m. to noon or 1 to 3. Again, register by calling 302-703-0727 or online, www.delawarehomebuyerSeminar.com. If you'd like to apply for a loan, you can do that online at www.prmidelaware.com or call us in the office. Until next week, I look forward to seeing you.